Good morning students, welcome to Saturday activity class. Students, I know you all love art and craft. So today I have brought an intellective idea of making flower with the help of paper. So students, do you know paper are very precious for us. Can you tell me from where we get papers? Yes, we get papers from trees. So, we should never waste papers. Whatever sheets are available at your houses, you should always use them. Okay? And never waste papers. So, students, now I will tell you how to make a flower with the help of paper. Students, this is a colored paper. And can you tell me which shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangular shape. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Students, you already have some colored papers at your home like this. स्कूल स्टेशनरी में भी आपको ये शीट्स मिली हैं. आप इन शीट से भी ये फ्लावर बना सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ हमें फ्लावर बनाने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें चाहिए? सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए कलर्ड शीट एंड अ ग्लू एंड अ सीजर. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट मेकिंग द फ्लावर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will change this rectangular shape in a square shape like this. We will fold the sheet in this way. Okay. Now we will cut this part with the help of scissor. Okay. Now I will keep this part aside. Now students, which shape is this? This is a triangular shape. Triangle shape. It has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. Now students, we will again fold it and we will make a small triangle. Look here. This is again a triangle. Now we will fold it again. Look here. Now this is again an triangular shape, but now this is very small in size. Okay. Now we will open this. Now students, can you tell me which shape is this? This is a square shape. Its all sides are equal. Okay. Now students, look these crease lines very carefully. Okay. Now what we will do? Now students, we will fold it like this. Okay. Now again from this side. This is again a triangular shape. Look here, this is open side. Okay. Now students, look very carefully. We will fold one side upward like this. Okay. Now the other side in the same manner. We will press all the crease lines. Okay students. Now on the other side, fold it in the upward direction. Now the other side. Okay. Now students, can you see the uneven side? Yes. Now we will change the uneven side in the plain one, like this. Okay. In the same way, we will change the uneven side into the plain one. Okay. Now both sides are plain. Okay. Now we will make again a triangle shape. Now we will fold its one side like this. Look students, this is again a triangular shape. Okay, press it. Now students, the other side we will fold it in a triangle shape. But remember students, we will put this side into the opposite side. Okay, can you see how I am putting this? Okay, now on the opposite side, fold it and put it in the opposite side like this. Now students, can you see a hole over here? Can you see the hole? Yes. But on this side there is no any hole. The hole is here. Okay students? Now the next step. Now we will blow into the hole like this. Hold it gently and blow it. Now students, can you see? This is a flower. Now I will peel it with very gently. Like this. Okay? These are its leaves. Now students, this is our lotus flower. Now we will take the remaining part and put this aside. Okay? Now we will make its stem. You can also make it green. This is a green sheet. And how would you make the stem? Look here. We will fold it from the corner very smoothly and very gently like this. I am folding it. Now with the help of glue, I will paste it. Now students, the stem is ready. You can also make the pink stem. Look here how it looks. Very beautiful. My flower is ready and my flower is very beautiful. So students, I have prepared so many lotuses for you. Look here. Can you see? So students, you can also make these flowers for your family, relatives and your friends as well. Okay? And do you know, you can also help your mother to decorate your house. How? Look here. How it looks. Nice, na? Very good. So students, you will practice to make the lotus flower with your color sheets at home and send me for checking. Okay? So students, be safe and be at home. Thank you.